What an honor this is. I was watching Cowboy Bebop and I was like, you know what? This is way too exciting for me. I'm gonna go take a walk. And I found a female tiger-rosa aspersa, I think that's how you say it. With babies on her butt, like actual hatched babies. And I found a molted cicada out there, just kind of chilling. And then I saw this guy who, like, very clearly was not, oh, come on now, focus. Please focus. There we go. Not looking like they're able to walk too well. So, what they do, I don't know, I think I got rid of my collection cells. But you're going to find a place, usually a tree, and they're going to molt this exoskeleton and see a gigantic cicada. I don't know where in that process we are. It looks like the brown is happening because so all the molts that I've collected, the exoskeletons, they're all brown. Okay, that wing looks really fresh though. You are my boob. So I mean, I don't know where in the process we are, but this is the process I believe is happening. Oh, you're between my boobs. I don't know where you are on the camera. Where are you? I think I'm pointing right to you. Anyway, I promised, here we go. I promised this little friend I would keep them safe, so what I think's gonna happen since I am the tree now, it's going to latch on, it's going to harden there, it's gonna crack out of its shell. It's like 10:50 p.m., 10:52 p.m., I go to bed at 11. I'm going to take my shirt off. I know. You're not used to, I just got a little front paws wiggling. Hi, Vanya. Hi, dear. So I'll switch shirts, put this one outside on the balcony, go to bed, and then leave. Oh, I could wear my panda shirt. Hell yeah. And then leave you to it. Then collect a mighty fine, sentimental shell in the morning. And my jet pens order is supposed to come in the morning. See, I can't see you. I don't know why this is. Huh. Oh, there it is. And then, as I said, I'm going to the insectarium with my buddy, and I'll show them this video too if they have time, and they can tell me, I guess where in the process you are. But yeah, so this has been, I got to watch Cowboy Bebop, and yeah, see those little paws going up. Hello. And then I saw 2 interesting insects. And I held a frog, sorry, not a frog, a toad that was about this big. I moved him or her to safety. Okay, time for me to go to bed.